Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with a new video and in this video I am going to share you Udemy paid courses which are worth 400 to 700 rupees valued courses to show how you can get for free of cost. Along with this, you will also get a certificate for this course. Along with this, you will also get a certificate for these courses, and most of these courses are free of cost. Are related in this video I am going to share you is related to professional and health related courses. Let's go into the first video, which is how to boost your online business using Facebook. Nowadays, Facebook is main social, primary social online platform which every individual or any business person is using. So, this course deals with how you can increase your online business by using Facebook. Basically, in this course, these are the course content. It describes marketing strategies and approaches, promotions on Facebook, how to find free content, how to analyze your market, and these things. Once you enroll, you can get this course for your lifetime. And coming to the second course, this is affiliate marketing and organic SEO in 2020, the fast track. You know, basically the affiliate marketing is the mechanism through which the commission is received by the promotion of the goods of the other companies. You will find a product you want to sell, which to others. Basically, affiliate marketing is the mechanism through which a commission is received by the promotion of the goods of the other companies. You will find a product which you want to sell it to others and make a profit from any sale you make. So affiliate marketing is plays a very important role, which and also SEO, which is a method for also SEO is a method for improving the rankings of your blog in the search engine results. It also involves defining which keywords and phrases you target audience uses to search for the goods or services, such as yours, and to work for a good search ranking. So basically, these are primary demanded courses for any digital marketer nowadays. So this course is just for 5 hours. Also, the coupon is applied in this course. You can enroll directly. As you all know, the links are shared in the description. You can directly enroll through those links. And this course is mostly demanded course. You can see here 52,000 students are enrolled in this course overall. So coming to the next course, this is in video. Nowadays, now the fourth course I'm going to show you is in video creation for social media marketing needs. You all know the importance of the video nowadays in the social media marketing. Videos basically allows you to create your message with the authority and a more personal feeling. You will interact with your audience much more emotionally if you use the audio than the another video type material, which will helps you to grab the attention of the viewers in the first few seconds. The strength in the social media lies in your ability to condense the information over to the audience. So it basically InVid is a platform which makes easier your work. You can create videos within a minutes. You can enroll this course by you can enroll this course easily, and this course is also have a certificate of completion. Once you completed the 1 hour course, you will also receive a certificate. And in this video, this content you will learn basically. And coming to the next course, the third course is, and going to the next course, the fourth course is get your first SEO client using freelance sites. Basically a freelance job is one of the top most preferable job nowadays, and it is one in which a person works for himself, not for a company or a corporation. Although freelancers are working of business and organizations, but they are ultimately self-employed. They do different works. In this course, there are many freelance sites such as Upwork, etc. There are many freelance sites out of that. We are going to discuss here about Upwork. It's basically deals with from the basics how to create a profile in the Upwork and how to get the clients. So it goes to the basic level to advanced level, and this course is particularly for looking. This course is particularly for those who looking to start offering marketing services to business and who interested in learning how to get SEO clients. And you can also increase your freelancing skills by taking this course. And and coming to the fifth course, which is color grading and video editing with DaVinci Resolve. You all know that not only making video, but video editing is also an important. DaVinci Resolve is a tool which is the only solution in the world to combine the 8K editing, color correction, visual effects, audio post production, and many things under a single software tool. With one click, you can automatically switch between the editing, color effects, etc. DaVinci Resolve is also available for free to download. And basically, what is color grading? Color grading is it enhances the visibility of an image on the multiple devices in different environments. So in this video, you will in this course you will learn how to use the DaVinci Resolve for your best from beginner to advanced level, and you can also learn how to export and save your videos for HD playback, etc. And you can complete this course under just 42 minutes. And this course is also available for for this course the certificate is also available. Coming to the sixth course, the 21-day health challenge. I thought that in this COVID situation, the health courses also you must need to take. So that's why primarily taking some of the health related courses, which will be ultimately benefit for you, and not only for the individuals. These health courses are helpful for the fitness related coaches and health coaches. So the sixth course is the 21-day health challenge. In this course, you will learn in this course you will learn about the wholesome nutrition, importance of the nutrition, and healthy food and lifestyle choices. A little prior nutrition or food knowledge is useful but not essential. So even though you don't have any knowledge on nutrition, you can take this course, and in this course these things you can learn: weight management myths, 4 of the weight management 5, etc., stress management, and these things you can learn, and you can ultimately improve your health within the 21 days by using these tips which this course provides. And coming to the next course, binge free healthy lifestyle diet. So in this course you will learn about the hidden diet secrets of the losing fat and boosting your health. This course is particularly for those who want to lose their weight. They can definitely go through this course, and this course is also taken by healthness and fitness enthusiasts. And this course you can complete within a 1 hour, and for this course also certificate is available. Anyone can enroll these courses. And coming to the next course, juicing for health and longevity. This course particularly deals with the importance of fruit juices, etc., which will help in purifying the toxics in the food, and also able to have an anti-aging properties in the fruit juices. It discovers all the secrets and let you know in this course. The science of juicing, it also deals with juicing for the energy and beauty, and juice for weight gain, etc., detoxing your organs for longer life, etc. You can ultimately discover all these secrets in this course. And this course is mainly for health and fitness coaches, and also for health and fitness enthusiasts. And coming to the today's last course, which is intermittent fasting. And coming to the today's last ninth number of course. And coming to the today's last number, ninth course, which is intermittent fasting, the beginner guide. Basically, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern in which you cycle between the eating and fasting times. It says nothing about the food to consume, but rather it says when to consume that food in a proper way. There are numerous there are numerous intermittent fasting strategies which break the day or week into the eating periods and fasting periods. So in this course, you will learn the secret fasting system of the particularly weight loss when other diets fall. It helps in you losing your weight particularly, and it also helps in boosting your energy. And this course is also for health and fitness coaches, dieters, and basically anyone can enroll in these courses. These courses are already pre-applied. These courses contains pre-applied coupons. As I provide the links in the description, you can directly enroll for these courses. If you find this video as a useful, you can share with your friends and let them to be benefited. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, etc.